Hey guys, this is Canon PIXMA MG3650 3600. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. I ordered the ink from amazon.co.uk. Replace the ink. Switch the printer on. Open up this chamber. So the ink holder will position itself where it's supposed to be. To replace the ink, press this holder down, press this down, and remove the ink. This printer is using ink cartridges 540 and 541. 541 is colored one, 540 is black. I ordered this from amazon.co.uk. The ink cartridges 541 colored one and 540 black. Pull off this and go in. Black ink goes to the right. Then pull the holder up. This is 541 color. Pull off. Then go in. Push this upwards. Then close it. Close the cover. So this is how to replace the ink. If you open this up again, the ink will move left, then open up the chamber, then push down, then you remove the ink. Remove this one. Take the black one, go in, pull this upwards, take the colored one, go in, color goes to the left, pull this up, then close it. Close the cover. So this is how to replace the ink. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.